Hello, U.S. History students. This is Mr. Freeze here, and welcome to the first day of school for U.S. History. I know this looks a little different than most first days of school, but we're going to try to make the most of it here. So today is Wednesday, September 2nd, 2020, and today we're doing asynchronous learning, which means you're going to be by yourself completing this activity, but it doesn't mean that I won't be here to help. If you need any help with this assignment, what I want you to do is either click on this link right here, or you can go to my Canvas site, and if you're on the Canvas site, it should look something like this. You can click on this little Google Meet icon, and that'll take you exactly to the same meeting that this link does here. Now today, we're going to complete what is known as the student information sheet. We're going to keep this really simple. It's worth 10 points. It's assigned right now if you're tuning in on September 2nd, and it will be due before 8 a.m., which is tomorrow, which is the first time we'll meet together for what's called synchronous learning. So welcome to U.S. History. I'm going to have video directions for this assignment here. So if you've clicked on this, you're actually listening to my voice right now. What I want you to do is the following. You're going to complete the following module. It's really simple. It just has a bunch of videos. They're introductory videos that will allow you to meet me, and it will provide you with some handy tips on how to navigate through the U.S. History Canvas site. Following that, and this is what you're going to get credit for, you're going to complete the student information sheet. So the way to do this, it's pretty simple. So I'll show you a couple things right here. You're going to click on this link, and it will take you to this document right here. All the directions are listed here as well, but I'll go over them with you. You're going to complete this. So you're going to type in your name. So I would type in, for example, Mr. David Freeze. And what I'd love for you guys to do is when you do this, please put it in a different font. It makes it really easy for me to grade and to see the difference between the prompt and what you put in there. So this stuff, it's pretty general. The name you prefer to be called, your grade, what are your goals for this course? If there's anything that I should know about you, when we get into school, if there's something about seating, vision, if there's anything that you require that requires any special direction, please indicate right there. And instead of AP Euro, that's another class I teach, this should be U.S. History. So that will be in place when you guys go to that link there. Please put your mother and father's name and contact info there. If you have a guardian that takes care of you during the day that's going to be working with you, you can include their information as well. Down here at the bottom, I'd like you to complete this STEM completion activity. And again, please use a different font or color as you enter your responses. So what you're going to do is go through these and just finish the sentence in any way that you choose here. For example, if you have, when I graduate, I hope to enter the military. Okay, if that's your goal, you go ahead and put that in there. Again, change the font, and beautiful. You hope to enter the military. If it's your hope to go to Penn State, that's what you would put in there. So you basically complete the sentence any way that you see fit there. It lets me know a little bit about you and gives me something to connect some of our lessons to as well. The last thing I'm going to ask you guys to do is to go down here where it says Student Pledge and to put your full name in there. And basically, you're vouching that any work you turn in throughout the year is your own, and you understand that if you turn in something that's plagiarized or copied from somewhere else or another site, that it will result in a 0 for the entire assignment. So please make sure to complete every aspect of this, and that'll be your first grade for this marking period. Now, one thing that I skipped over a little bit here because I have permission to edit this, what I want you guys to do is to, because you won't have permission to edit this, you're going to have to go up here to File, make a copy, and what you're going to do is you are just going to rename this. So it'll automatically say Copy of Student Information Sheet. You can make this easy for me, and if your name is John Doe, you could type in John Doe Student Information Sheet, and that will save this for you as this document. So it's coming up right now. Moving a little slowly, but it should be coming up right now. Here we go. All right, so there we have it, and you can edit this once you make a copy of it. Now, to submit this assignment, if you go to my Canvas page, you will see that under assignments, you're going to be able to submit this. So let me put this in a student view so you're going to see exactly what you would see in this as well. If you go to assignments, you will see that it has student information sheet right here. If you click on the student information sheet, just like that, it'll have all the directions that I just had on that last page. And it'll also have a button up here that says Submit Assignment. You're going to use this to submit any assignments that are submitted via Canvas. So go ahead and click on that, and you're going to choose a file. Now, your files will be either underneath Google Drive or Google Drive LTI 1-3. So that's me right there. I'm going to select a file. It'll bring up my Google Drive right here, and let me check. Yep, there's John Doe's student information sheet. I double click that, I attach the file, and it should go right in there as the file. And you see it's submitted. All I have to do to make sure that it's in is click Submit Assignment, and I should be pretty good. Once that submits in there and uploads, you are completed with that assignment. You can go back in to verify underneath assignments to make sure that it was received, and you will earn a grade for that assignment as well. If you have any questions, please reach out to Mr. Freeze, and yeah, I'd be happy to help you. All right. Thank you, guys.